Now then, where are we? It's a beautiful, crisp autumn day. I've got a busy day ahead of me. I've got to get my hair cut. I've got a doctor's appointment. I'm going to meet the doc for a coffee, and then I'm going to do a little bit of photography up somewhere in the countryside, maybe just a local park. That'll do. Always double tie these laces because they always come undone. It's just what they're made of, so always double tie them. Right, this is my new setup for me photography. These varifocal glasses, so I can read the dials on the camera and also look ahead. It makes it a lot easier. I only wear them when I'm doing this, I don't wear them normally. It just makes it easier for when I'm looking down at these little dials on the back of this camera, and then I can continue taking the pictures without having to take my reading glasses off. It took a bit of getting used to, but I've got into it now, they're alright. Look at that! Nice haircut there, £9. I'll give him a pound tip. Since I've come out of there, it's gone all cloudy and it's spitting. So because it's spitting now, it has changed the light and I will not get the same effect up in the park. So I'll have to make a decision what to do. You can't make plans when you're a photographer. Old Queen Victoria there. Right, I've got to put my mask on. I'm going in the old doctor's over here.
Hello, reception.
Hi, I've got an appointment at 10:30.
Any cough, cold, loss of taste or smell?
No.
Have you got a face mask on?
Yeah.
I'll come let you in.
Perhaps a bit of damage to my microphone. I'll have to look at that when I get in. It's not too warm today. Look at this tower. Boring. Slightly over leaves. Better if she was walking towards me. That'll go around the corner. Unbelievable. That works there with the lakes in the background. This is a church where my daughter got christened in here. Never been back since. Christchurch. Couldn't even remember the name of it. I remember we had to make an appointment with the vicar. He came round. I made him a cup of tea and I gave him a slice of cake. Oh, I expected to turn up to the services and everything. We went to one before the christening. And that was it. Beautiful morning for walking now. Nice and fresh now. Use your imagination, Owen. Still, some guys coming up here. Come on, son, you can do it. Things you got to do. Right, let's look at that. That was out of focus. Rules everywhere. I can remember when I was a kid coming up here, you could go right to the very, very top. But now you're restricted. It's a beautiful clear day though. Get the river and the train. Should we go? How can we get that? How can I capture that? I might head to the old graveyard. Maybe try and get some grainy, textured shots. Now that's a nice shot. The dog. These 4 people chatting here. Guy coming over here. 5 people there. Tall little miss. Put my flash on. Sorry for standing on your grave, William, but I don't think you're bothered, mate. Died in 1882. What have you been doing today, Owen? I've been taking photographs of gravestones. I'm feeling a little bit creative. So I'll put the battery.
Going to drag them along with
See what I mean? If you don't speak to people, they'll just completely ignore you. Look at this. Things that you find. A pair of old pumps. Now that could be a nice shot of the people sat. Let's put the flash on, see if you get more of the flash. William Lund. See if we can. Hello. All right.
Yes, thank you. You?
Yeah, not so bad. See, if you speak, people speak back to you. Right, enough of that. I'm going to turn my camera off. Head back into town. Take it from there. Right, so that's that little expedition done. But what I'm going to try and do now is go in the town centre and take some still photographs with my GoPro. I've never ever used it as a camera like that, always for video, so I'm going to see what I can get with this GoPro. Let's have a look. But what you'll get with the GoPro is just wider angle shots. You can't zoom in. But the other positive is that people can't see that you've got a camera in your hand. You can just hold it. So let's try and see if we can get some photographs of people just be normal and natural. Nip into Aldi, get my mask ready, I'm going to get some beer and I'm going to get drunk tonight. I just fancy it. I was going to go Blackpool, can't be bothered. I've walked quite a lot today, I'm a bit tired now.